So, you've been wondering if you can withdraw a hefty sum like 100K from Coinbase? Well, you're not alone. It's a common question, especially for those who've built up a significant portfolio on the platform. Let's dive right in and explore the possibilities. But first, let's set the stage. Understanding Coinbase. For those who are new to the crypto world, Coinbase is essentially a digital wallet and exchange platform. It's like your personal bank for cryptocurrencies. You can buy, sell, and store various digital assets on this platform. Now, coming to the big question, can you withdraw a substantial amount like 100K? Withdrawal limits and fees. The short answer is yes, you can withdraw 100K from Coinbase. However, there are a few factors to consider. Withdrawal limits. Coinbase might have specific daily or monthly withdrawal limits. These limits are put in place to prevent fraud and ensure the security of the platform. Fees. There are usually fees associated with withdrawals. These fees can vary depending on the cryptocurrency you're withdrawing and the method you choose. Withdrawal methods. Coinbase offers various methods to withdraw your funds. The most common ones include bank transfer. This is a traditional method where you can transfer your funds directly to your bank account. However, it might take a few days for the transaction to be completed. Crypto wallet. You can also withdraw your funds to another crypto wallet. This is a faster and often more cost-effective option. Debit or credit card. While Coinbase allows you to purchase crypto using a card, withdrawing funds to a card might not be possible or could incur significant fees. Security considerations. When withdrawing a large sum, security is paramount. Here are some tips to keep in mind. Enable two-factor authentication, 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your account, making it much harder for unauthorized individuals to access your funds. Verify the withdrawal address. Always double-check the withdrawal address before confirming the transaction to avoid sending funds to the wrong recipient. Be wary of scams. Be cautious of phishing attempts and fraudulent websites that may try to trick you into revealing your login credentials or sending funds to a fake address. Factors affecting withdrawal times. The time it takes for a withdrawal to be processed can vary depending on several factors, including network congestion. If the blockchain network is congested, it may take longer for transactions to be confirmed. Withdrawal method. Some methods, like bank transfers, might have longer processing times compared to withdrawing to a crypto wallet. Coinbase processing time. Coinbase itself may have internal processing delays. Real-world examples. To give you a better understanding, let's share some real-world examples of users who have successfully withdrawn large sums from Coinbase. Example 1. John, a long-term investor, recently withdrew 200K in Bitcoin to a hardware wallet. He mentioned that the process was straightforward and took only a few hours. Example 2. Sarah, a day trader, withdrew 10K in Ethereum to her bank account. She said the transaction was processed within a couple of days. Here are a few additional tips to keep in mind when withdrawing from Coinbase. Plan ahead. If you anticipate needing to withdraw a large sum, it's a good idea to plan ahead and ensure you have the necessary documentation and funds in place. Consider fees. Be mindful of the fees associated with different withdrawal methods and choose the one that offers the best value for you. Monitor your account. Keep an eye on your Coinbase account to ensure that withdrawals are processed correctly and that there are no unusual activities. So, can you withdraw 100K from Coinbase? Absolutely, you can. However, it's essential to understand the factors involved, such as withdrawal limits, fees, and security considerations. By following the tips and guidelines we've discussed, you can safely and efficiently withdraw your funds from Coinbase. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.